Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Park the 2010 GMC Acadia on level ground, set the parking brake, and place wheel chocks behind the rear tires. Raise the front with a 2-ton jack and support the vehicle on jack stands at the pinch welds. Never rely on the jack alone. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical arcs, then wait a few minutes for capacitors to discharge. Confirm this is the 3.6L-V6 model before proceeding, and wear safety glasses and gloves while you work. Mark wire locations for reassembly. Remove the plastic engine cover and the passenger side splash shield to gain clear access to the starter near the transmission bell housing. First, disconnect the battery cable at the starter using a 10 mm nut, then remove the small 8 mm control terminal from the solenoid. Label each wire as you go. Support the starter with one hand or a small jack, then remove the two 15 mm mounting bolts. Carefully lower the starter. It weighs about 7 pounds, and pull it from the bell housing, watching for tight clearances and wiring snagging. Position the replacement starter into the bell housing and hand thread both 15 mm mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment before tightening. Torque the bolts to 35 ft-pounds to secure the unit, then reconnect the 8 mm control terminal, followed by the main battery cable using the 10 mm nut. Ensure all terminals are clean and snug. Reinstall the passenger side splash shield and the plastic engine cover. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, lower the vehicle, and perform a test start to verify smooth engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.